Okay. Now standing behind us is the North Bridge of Ongpin. It also crosses the Pasig River, one of the arteries of Pasig River.
Now, just a brief history about Ongpin. Ongpin was named after Don Romano Ongpin, who was a Chinese businessman, and he got his fame from supplying the finance for the businesses, and for helping out the Katipunero rebels during the uprising of 1896 during the Spanish period.
Ayun ba daw ito?